Umentri ka tanak pa ka kya ka sarkar jalao James ke sangma ka nyotring no pra araja arpoi ulaple ka jaka pmi oxygen Nazareth Hospital Shillong ringkar ka Jordan lang ki bor penyai ka hospital ki nong trai bar ki wei la par kdo hangne ba ka jingbu ki jaka pmi oxygen ha ki hospital kala de ka jingnan kam hamala ki hospital hadin ka jingwan ling shop ka khlam COVID-19 ha ka ba ki brio ki bangan ekani ka jingpang gilama ka jinge namar ka jingbam la ban pin piang ki oxygen ki bor hospital bar kum juru ki bor sarkar nakaliang menteri habakran hakani ke jelang ulapan pau ke jingso kemen baka Nazareth Hospital kalala apan play gani ke jakapan mi oxygen kaban long ke jera ka bakrai ka hospital bar khamtam ki paj ba ki bon sha sumar hakani ka hospital.
I'm very happy to inform all of you that 2 crores and 51 lakh has been invested in Nazareth Hospital. Apart from that, the Department of Health and Family Welfare has facilitated the Path Foundation, who are here, and would like to express a word of gratitude for them also, to donate this PSA plant in Nazareth by the Tata Advanced System to provide a stable flow of 800 LPM, benefiting 100 patients who will require oxygen support during critical times, possibly for a third wave, which we hope will not come, but yet we need to be prepared for. And I believe that this oxygen plant will be an asset not just for the hospital, but for the entire health system of our state. And I take this opportunity to wish Nazareth Hospital and the sisters and all the staff, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedics, and well-wishers of the hospital the very best as they add another milestone in their endeavor to serve the people of the state. As a representative of the government, I wish to assure that we will try our best to serve the people of our state to the best of our abilities, and I know that we have a dependable partner in Nazareth Hospital to try to provide access to timely and adequate healthcare to the people of our state.